Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see about the string functions in Python. We know that string is a collection of characters, and let us see the functions that are available for string processing in Python. Let us see first of all the difference between the method and the function. The difference between the method and the function is that we have the method when your string methods are specific to string objects and are called using dot notation. Like example, my string dot upper. Okay, so this is the way we are using the method. When you say function, we don't use the object, but you just use the function name alone, like len of my string. Len is the function name and my string is the string. Okay, so this is the way the difference between the method and the function. Otherwise the process is same, but the way it is used is different. Okay, so let us see few functions in string and let us see the functionalities. First of all, we have a function called format. As the name implies, format helps to format the string in a neat manner. It is used to create a formatted string from the template string and the supplied values. So let's see the example in the next coming videos. Before that, we just see only the definitions of those functions. Next is the split function. As it the split is to divide the string. Okay, you wanted to split a string using some delimiters, that is some commas or brackets or something, whatever the thing we are using as delimiters. Delimiters are the special characters like comma, full stop, colon, anything. Okay, so when the strings are separated by delimiters, we can use those to split the string. Next is join. Join is the opposite of split. Split is to divide and join is to connect. Okay, so now what is the join function does? This function returns a new string, that is the concatenation of the strings in iterable with the string object as a delimiter. That means you can repeatedly join many strings. Okay, and let us see the few more functions. And the functions continues like this. You have the format map. This is same as the format function, but it is used in the dictionary alone. So it is used to format the strings when it is used in the case of the dictionaries. Okay, and up is the stripe function. As the name implies, it stripes out. It removes the white spaces from the string object. It can remove L or R stripe. That means it can remove the left space or right space if it is used as L strip or R strip. Okay. Next is the upper function. Upper, we can convert a string into uppercase in Python using the string.upper function. Same way, lowercase is used to convert the string into lowercase. So uppercase is capital letters, lowercase is small letters. Okay, this is the function of these methods. And then we have few more methods are there. Replace. What does replace does is Python string replace function is used to create a new string by replacing some parts of the another string. So we can remove some part of the string and you can replace with some other new characters. That is the replace string. And next is the find. Find is to identify something you wanted to see in the string. For example, I want to search all the name of the students starting with the A, or the name of the students is ending with the ME, something like that. Okay, that is the process of finding. And then next is translate. So the translate is to convert from one thing to another thing. Now when using this string translate function, Python returns a new string. That means each character will be replaced by some other character using the translate function. Okay, here the translation is done. The difference between the replace and this translate is the replace is it will remove the characters and change the new characters. But in the case of this translate, it also does the same thing, but this is based upon the ASCII values. ASCII value is the American Standard Code for Information Interchange. We have some standard value table is there. Based on the table value, these values will be substituted. That is the translate function. And let us see with the example. The first function is the format function. Okay, so the format function, what it does is it formats the given string Now I have given the example to format the, in this slide we will see format, split and join. So the format function is format of text is equal to for only price dot 2f. Here price dot 2f is the formatting part, and this variable price is given inside the curly braces, and others are the normal words for only some value dollars. Okay, now if I format this, the answer will be for only $49.00, means here the value after the decimal point will be only 2 digits. So that is the function point. Okay, so print text of format of price is equal to 49. So in the previous line text is given for only price dollars. What is the price value? That is price value is 49. What is the formatted? 0.2f. 0.2f is after decimal point we have 2 digits. That is the result of this for only $49.00. Likewise we have the next function called split function. Here we are having a text which is the input welcome to the jungle with the space in between. Now when the space comes the word is broken. Okay, so x is equal to txt dot split means the default is the space. So whenever the space comes it will divide that string into different words. Welcome is one word, to is another word, the and jungle, and they are put within the single quotes as a list of values. So this is the output: welcome comma to comma the comma jungle. Okay, the next function is the join function. As the name implies, it joins the two different letters or two characters. So my tuple is one variable name, and there we have John, Peter and Vicky. 3 names are given within the tuple. We know that tuple is a collection of data enclosed within normal brackets separated by commas. Okay, so now we are going to give the join operator. X is equal to ampersand join my tuple. That means all the words in my tuple will be joined by and symbol. That means John and Peter and Vicky. This is the output. Okay. So same way we have few more examples for the functions we have seen before. L strip, upper and lower. As I told in the previous slides, stripe is to remove the extra spaces. L strip means it removes the left space, and R strip means it removes the right spaces. So extra spaces will be removed. So now text is given as some quotes, some spaces banana, some spaces quote. Okay, so what it will do is we are giving the value as x is equal to text dot l strip, and we are going to print. What we are going to print within quotes of all fruits x is my favorite. What is x? X is banana, and x comes from text dot l strip, so it will remove the left space from banana and it is written close to the word fruit, but the right space is there. Because that means after banana some spaces are there. That is there because we are removing only the L spaces, that is the left spaces. This is the function of L strip. Then we have upper. As we know that it will convert into capital letters. So S is equal to where if no one speak, thereof one must be silent. That is the word given. That is the string given. And the function is s dot upper. So dot upper will convert the word into upper. All the words are changed into capital letters. Same way for lower, s dot lower, the same string is converted into all small letters. That's why given silent in capital letters to know how it is changing. Now everything is changing into small letters. So this is the example for L strip, upper and lower functions. Then we have find and replace. So as I told you, find is to find some word and replace is to interchange that find word with some other word. So the text given is s is equal to, on the other hand you have different fingers, and they are going to apply the function find. So s dot find of hand. So what it means is we are going to find out the word hand. Okay, so it will find out the position of the hand is 13. That means it will just count the number of characters. That 13th character is hand. It starts from 13 position. We know that it starts from 0. So 0 in the 0 is the O position, n is in the one position, space second position, t in the third position, and so on. Likewise, h comes in the 13th position. That is the find function. Then we have the replace function. S dot replace fingers comma toes. So fingers will be replaced by toes. So what is the answer? If you print, the answer will be, on the other hand we have different toes. Okay, so now the finger word is changed by toes. That is called replace function. And we have one more called translate. This uses a dictionary with the ASCII codes to replace, for example, here 83 is the ASCII value for capital S, and 74 is the ASCII value for J, and small a it is 97, and with the D is 100 is the value. Likewise, we have L as 108 and O as 111. This is the value I have taken from the dictionary, taken from the ASCII table. Let us see how the text changes. My dict is equal to 97:100, 83:74, 108:111, which means the word 97 is replaced by 100. The word which has ASCII value 83 replaced by 74. The word which has 108 is replaced by 111. That means I have given the text as hello Sam Sundar Selvi. Okay, how it is given? The output is given in the black box. H is as it is because there is no change, and instead of L it is changed into O. Two L's are changed into O. Why? Because we are having this 108 into 111. Okay, and then with the jam, actually it is Sam, it is changed into JDM because S is changed with the J because we are replacing 97 by we are 83 by 74. So S is changed into J, and then we have D. A is changed by D because we have the letters 97 by 100. So A is changed by D. So two A's are there, so 2D, and then we have again one A is there, and then it is R. Okay, likewise we can just find out the values will be replaced by some other values, and the given text hello Sam Sundar Selvi is changed into HEOOOJDM JUNDDRSEOVI. This is the purpose of translation. And we are printing the values. Text dot translate of my dict. So my dict is the variable name. The function is translate. It is applied on the txt. So txt dot translate of my dict. So that's all the string functions. Hope it is easy and simple to follow, and thanks for watching.